Hello there, my tulips. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new tuning in, warm welcome. So excited that you decided to stop by and check out today's video. So you guys, I wanted to follow up with you with some hair growth I believe that I may be experiencing it now, and I'm super duper excited. So the nape of my head, of course, you guys already know what that's about, but I'm seeing sprouts, and that kind of makes me excited. Now, I don't want to jump the gun too far ahead. I'll really be able to tell for sure once I actually take these braids down. Now, FYI, I've had these braids almost a full month. Next week will for sure, I'm sorry, not next month, next week will for sure make a full month that I have had these braids. Unfortunately, I will be taking these braids down within the next week or so. So we will get the opportunity to really see if that's truly hair growth that we have here. And if it is, I cannot contribute it solely to the dew growth oil or the virgin hair fertilizer, although I love both of those oils. But I do think they aided in the process of helping me keep a moisturized scalp and healthy strands to avoid any breakage. So that's why I said they kind of aid in the process. Also, those were the two products that I use. I will have to contribute a lot of the growth that it appears that I'm seeing here to scalp massages. I think that really made a positive difference for me, just from what I can see here with the braids still in. So I'm super duper excited about getting these braids taken out and really accessing my hair to see what we're really working with. Now, here around the front part of my head where my baby hairs are, you guys know that I have been battling stress. Some days are better than others, some hours are better than others, but this stress has really been kicking my butt, and it has really caused me some premature grays in the front of my head, and I'm not pleased with that, you guys. I'm not 100% pleased with it, but you know, we're gonna make it do what it do. I hope you enjoyed today's video. I'll see you tulips in the next one. Smooches. Mwah.